Hi guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a text slider like this in your WordPress blog by using Divi Builder. To add a text slider, you need to log into the dashboard. Once you successfully logged in, hover over posts and click on add new. Here you have to add post title. I will add slider and click on publish. Now click on use Divi Builder button. And then choose a layout. I will select build from scratch. Now here select a single row and search slider module. Now here you have multiple sliders, video slider, post slider and a simple slider. I will select simple slider. Now here you have to edit text. You have two different slides. You can make a third one or as much as you want. Now click on this gear icon. Change title. I will select add slider 1. You can change button text. I will change to show more. Now here you can add your custom content. Now go to background. Here I will change background color like this. And now the background color was changed. Now go to design. From navigation, you can change these arrows and dots color. First I will change arrow color to black. You can see it will appear black. And when you change the dot color, here you can see the dots color was changed. Now go to images. Leave this section and go to text. Here you can make it dark or light. I will select light. From text, title text, you can change font color, font style, font weight and font color. Also you can change font size. Now click on the stick button and edit this second slide. Now change the title. I will change to slider 2. Change button text. I will add learn more. Go to background and I will change background color to this. Go to design. Now from text color, title text, change the font to Acme. Make it bold and change color to black. Now make its size to 50. Now click on this tick button. Again click on this tick button. Go to these 3 dots and save the post. After saving, click on exit visual builder button. Now here you can see you have a slider. When you click on this arrow, the second slide will appear like this. You can also use these dots to open another slides. When you click on these show more buttons, it will appear like this, and you have to add a link in it to show your post or target link where you want to take your visitor. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi Builder. Thanks for watching.